Hello, today we will guide you through how to keep Microsoft Teams status to always available. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to manually set your Microsoft Teams presence so it displays as available. This can be helpful if your status is currently showing something else, such as busy, and you want teammates to clearly see that you're open and active in Teams. To begin, open Microsoft Teams in your browser and go to the Teams home screen. Once the page is fully loaded, take a moment to make sure you're on the main interface where your account and navigation options are visible. This is the starting point for updating your status. Next, look toward the top right area of the screen. This is where you'll find your profile icon. In Microsoft Teams, the profile area is where you can access account-related settings, including your current status. If you're not sure what to look for, it's usually represented by a small profile picture, initials, or account icon. When you've located it, click on the profile icon. This will open a menu with several options related to your account and availability. Your current status should appear in that menu, making it easy to change. From there, click on the current status, which in this example is set to busy. Selecting it opens a list of presence options available in Teams. This menu is where you can switch between different visibility settings depending on how you want others to see your availability. Now choose Available from the list. Once selected, your Microsoft Teams status will update to show that you're available. This is the setting other users will see when they look at your profile or chat with you. One important thing to keep in mind is that Teams may automatically update your status later based on your activity, calendar events, or whether your device becomes idle. So while setting your status to available is the correct manual step, it may not always stay that way indefinitely without regular activity. If you notice it changes again, you can return to the same profile menu and reset it. That's all it takes to change your Teams status to available. As a quick recap, open Teams, find your profile in the top right corner, click it, select your current status, and then choose Available. Thanks for following along. You should now be able to set your Microsoft Teams status to always appear available more easily.